The ticker screener is MarketAlpha's main tool for scanning thousands of stocks in real time. To open the ticker screener, simply go to the navigation bar and click on the ticker screener button. You're looking at a live table driven by your current screener profile. From left to right, you'll typically see the AI setup section, things like alpha strategy direction, risk reward, and the measured path of resistance. Next are short-term ratings for the current trading day, including industry and theme ratings and relative strength. After that, you'll see price action and volume, including change metrics and relative volume. In the middle, you have longer-term metrics such as automatic divergence detection and pattern detection, as well as tight range and one-year industry, theme, and relative strength ratings. Finally, on the right are MarketAlpha's proprietary fundamental ratings like EPS, sales, profit, and the composite alpha rating. To narrow the market, let's open data filters. You can load pre-made community filter groups or complete strategy packs or build your own filters from scratch. Let's apply a liquidity and a risk-reward filter. Notice how results update immediately. Now let's sort by alpha rating so the strongest names rise to the top. You can sort by left-clicking a column header, or right-click to choose the exact sort direction. If you want to change what you're scanning, open the column sidebar. Use the Active Columns folder to quickly reorder or to remove what's already on the table. To add new metrics, open any folder and click the fields you want. You can also reorder columns directly by dragging the headers and remove columns by right-clicking and deleting them. When you want more or less row detail, you can also switch between compact and full mode. When something stands out, push it straight into charts. Just left-click a row to open sidebar charts for a quick check. Or select multiple tickers and open multi-charts to review your list side by side. That's the workflow. Load your profile, filter, sort, then validate on charts. And if you ever want to start over, use the reset function to return the screener back to its defaults.